what's going on, guys? It's your boy back here in another video. Now today we're gonna be making some gummies. Now all you need is some jello mix, a quarter of a cup of cold water, some hot water, exactly a cup, and some gelatin. Now first off, we'll be pouring in some gelatin into the cold water, exactly 1 big spoon of it. I don't know what tablespoon is. And if you like some cooking videos, drop a like down below. Now okay. Okay, now we have our gelatin ready, so we'll just put that aside. And we'll open the jello mix up. Should I use all of it? Thank you, director. Now that is done, we'll just put that aside. Now the hot water. And then now it's still boiling, so we'll just stir that up. Make sure no mix is in there. Is it really good? Now we've done that, then we add our gelatin mix into the jello mixture. And now we stir even more. It's kind of getting a little bit to becoming jello. So now what we do is put our spoon aside, and then just get whatever container you want to have. We'll just pick this one because it looks cool. And then I just use a syringe. You can use really whatever you want and you're comfortable with. And we take some air bubbles in there, which is fine. Okay guys, so now we filled up the container that we're putting it in. Put it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours and you should have your gummies done. Hey guys, so we're back. We were filming a little bit late, so we left them overnight, and this is how they turned out. And I'm gonna show you, we have one that we didn't really do. So, but yeah, you can still wait for 4 to 5 hours. Just carefully. Because if you don't, then it's gonna rip up. Yay! Now, in a second, we'll take a taste test because until now, I do not know. second we'll take a taste test because I do not know how they taste. Yep, I'll just set that aside. Now, let's try these red ones because we put a little bit more gelatin in them. And then the yellow ones, which I made on camera, I just put 1 spoon of gelatin. So let's try it out. Okay, it tastes good, but my only thing is maybe no, it's good. No. Now for the yellow one, it's a little bit more jiggly than the red one because less gelatin, of course. Oh yeah, it tastes the same, I guess, except this one is pineapple and the other one is cherry or whatever. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and peace out.